What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on HCMC stock. First of all, brief summary about this company. Healthier Choices Management Corporation is a holding company which focuses on providing consumers with healthier daily choices with respect to nutrition and other lifestyle alternatives. It operates through the following segments: grocery and vapor. And for now, as you might know, we have the major news that was published on November the 30th. We are on Healthier Choices website, and it says Healthier Choices Management Corporation files patent infringement lawsuit against Philip Morris. But for now, we don't have new information about this lawsuit, and let me remind you that we have about 2 weeks until we might see the reply from Philip Morris. It has to be replied by April 16th, and until this date I think we won't see much more information about the lawsuit. And for now, let's keep aside this information, and we have these two recent tweets. As you can see, it was tweeted 12 hours ago and 11 hours ago. Let's begin with this one. And let me quote you: "Life healthier with HCMC. Edibles and national vitamin and supplement brands now available at HCMC's The Vitamin Store. Site-wide sale. 72 hours only. Extra savings with after-ship subscription. Limited amount of free HCMC masks and hats. Details and codes below." And as you can see, I think it is a brilliant idea for C executives of HCMC to capitalize from the interest to this company. Let me show you that during the past 3 months we have huge spikes in interest for this company. We are on Google Trends and the search term is HCMC. And as you can see, we are on web search past 90 days in United States. And if we switch this menu to YouTube search, you can see that we don't have any decline in search volume during past 3 months. I think it is the best idea to make some money from us, from investors and from people who are interested in this company. And here is this news. We are on section news on HCMC website, and let me quote it to you. "This online store was originally purchased as a part of the acquisition of HCMC's 3 Paradise Health and Nutrition branded stores in Melbourne, Florida. HCMC will be offering select national brands and for the first time online. Ada's high-quality brand of vitamins and supplements previously sold only in Ada's Natural Market, the company's organic grocery store located in Fort Myers, Florida." And as you might know, vitamins and supplements, it is the most profitable goods in this industry. These goods have a huge margin, and that's why I think it is the best choice for Healthier Choices Management to choose these products for selling. And let me quote you Jeff Holman, CEO of HCMC. "Management has recognized and is grateful for both the national attention that HCMC has received over the past several months and for the very vocal support of its shareholder base, which is now over 306,000 shareholders strong. This has provided the company with the perfect opportunity for a relaunch of HCMC's TheVitaminStore.com, as well as an opportunity to offer our Edibles brand of high-quality vitamins and supplements to a national audience," said Jeff Holman, CEO of HCMC. And he proved my words that it is the best time to capitalize from us, from investors and from those who are interested in this company. And Mr. Holman continued, "Our shareholders have repeatedly expressed their desire to support their investment in HCMC directly by also becoming customers. With our sizable shareholders base as potential new, highly motivated and incentivized customers, we are extremely encouraged by the growth potential from this online store." And Mr. Holman concluded, "Unlike a stock market investment is a high-ticket item-based company, such as a car company, collectively all shareholders have the power to make a real difference with the power of their individual purchasing habits. This is a rare opportunity for shareholders to work hand in hand with management to build national brand while increasing shareholder value through increased company revenue." And of course, it is the best time to open this kind of stores because it is a new cash flow for the company, it is a new revenue for the company, and in total, this will enhance the financials of HCMC, and this will enhance the total position of this company on the market. And let me show you one more information that was published on Twitter. Link to HCMC's 8K filing March 29, 2021. And first of all, let me define what is an 8K. An 8K is a report of unscheduled material events or corporate changes at a company that could be of importance to the shareholder or the Securities and Exchange Commission. Also known as the Form 8K, the report notifies the public of events including acquisitions, bankruptcy, the resignation of directors, or changes in the fiscal year. And basically it is any information that might have impact on the company and that might be interested for shareholders or SEC. And we are on sec.report, and here is the Form 8K Healthy Choices Management that was filled just several hours ago on March 29th. And here is the main thing about this form. Healthy Choices Management Corporation entered into agreements with certain holders of the company's indebtedness in aggregate amount of $1,290,260.64 to exchange the notes for $1,172,964,218 shares of the company's common stock at a price per share of $0.0011. The closing bid price of the company's common stock on March 26, 2021. It is also, I think, a good news for the company because they capitalize also not only from us as the people who are interested in this company and from retail shareholders, from retail investors, but they also cover some of their debts. And it is also a very good sign because they use the higher price that it was before the hype. And basically these two news, they cannot impact immediately the price of the share, but in the long term I think it might be a good catalyst that will impact the price and will push the price up. And let me continue with some rumors around short squeeze. So on fintel.io, as you can see, we have recent data that the short volume ratio is 760%, almost 761%. And this data is from March 26th. And the previous fillings right here was on January 19th, and it was 123%. And as you can see, we don't have any information for about 2 months. And it is quite suspicious that for now we have this huge amount of short volume ratio. And let me compare these two numbers. We have a total short volume of more than 90 million shares, and total volume is only 119 million shares, and that's why we have this huge ratio. But we have another data, and we are on otcshortreport.com, and we have absolutely the same amount of short volume, a little bit more than 900 million shares, but the total volume is 4 billion shares. And here is the volume, actual volume in my opinion, and we don't have any blind spots during the March right here, and that's why I think we have only 20% volume shorted, and it's not so big, and that's why I don't think we might wait anytime soon some of short squeezes, but it is still possible, and I think it might take place by the April 16th, and I think we might see some news from the lawsuit, and that might drive the price to the moon. And before we dive deep into the technical analysis, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So we don't have much new data from my previous video. As you can see, we have this price action, and we've hit my secondary accumulation point, and we bounced back from it. And for now, I think from this point we're up about 10%, and at the top of this small candle we were up about 25%. So as you can see, it is a high volatile stock, and that's why you have to be extremely cautious when you decide to invest in this company. Always, guys, do your own due diligence before you decide to invest in a certain company, and this is not exception. You have to do your own due diligence and realize all the risks involved in this process. So from the technical standpoint, I think we are at the same point. We have two accumulation points. The lower the price goes, the better your position is, and that's why I think you have to be patient. You have to wait until some good news for this company, and we already have some, as you can see here. And in my opinion, they might even start to sell some merch, and it will be a new stream of their income, and they can benefit from this as well. So I think that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. In this case, you won't miss my next video. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!